We're on Lawrencetown Beach. The tide is very low today. Sophie is anticipating someone showing up, but unfortunately they aren't coming. But that's okay. Sophie still has some fun. Clouds on the horizon are indicating a huge snowstorm that's been coming up the east coast of the U.S. It's going to hit us tonight at midnight, and we'll have 20 to 40 centimeters of white stuff. Sophie will be happy. Yes, you will. You will be happy. Happy puppy. Sophie's a happy puppy. Yeah. Well, she thinks Mary from the daycare center is going to show up because she drove by a few minutes ago and we waved, but she had to go into town, so but Sophie doesn't understand that. Do we, Soph? Do you want me to throw your bally? Can I throw your ball? No ball throwing today. She's not going to give it up.